Hello guys, welcome to in this podcast. Today I am going to explain multiplication and division of algebraic fraction, how we can multiply and how we can divide the algebraic fraction. Okay, let's start it. Here we have multiplication and division of algebraic fraction. Okay guys, for example we have x squared minus 4 over x squared minus 3x plus 2 multiplied by x squared minus x over x squared plus 2x. How you can multiply two fraction or two algebraic fraction? First of all, you should decompose or factorize every of numerator and denominator. For example, here we have x squared minus 2 squared. Instead of 4, I write 2 squared. Also, we have here, we find two numbers to multiply. Get as two numbers we add together or plus 3. For example, we have here 1 multiplied by 2 is 2 and 1 plus 2 is 3. So the sign of two breaks take from the coefficient of x. We have x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by this other fraction or the second fraction. We bring out the x and here remain x minus 1. Also we bring out the x and remain x plus 1. Then we can take like that, we separate and factorize x minus 2 multiplied by x plus 2. Here we can write x minus 2 multiplied by x minus 1 multiplied by, we cancel x by x, here remain x minus 1 over x plus 1. Also we can cancel this part, x minus 2 divided by x minus 2 1. Here remain x plus 2 over x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 1 over x plus 1. Also we can cancel and divide x minus 1 by x minus 1. Then when here remain 1, also this denominator remain 1. We can multiply x plus 2 multiplied by 1 x plus 2 over 1 multiplied by x plus 1. Here remain x plus 1. This is the answer of this example. I take another example. For example, here we have a squared minus b squared over a cube minus b cube multiplied by, for example, a cube plus a squared b plus a b squared over a squared plus a multiplied by b. How we can multiply these two fractions? First of all, we should factorize every of this expression. For example, we have this expression or polynomial separate or decompose or factorize into different brackets. For example, we have a minus b multiplied by plus b over, it is a famous identity we know here, a minus b multiplied by a square plus a multiplied by b plus b square multiplied by, here we bring out the a from all of the terms. We have a, we take breakout, bring out the a, here remained a square, because one of them we take it, and here remain a multiplied by b, ab plus here remain b square over, also bring out or take one of a from both of the terms. We have a multiplied by a plus b, then we cancel a by a and also divide a minus b. The first fraction remain a plus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square multiplied by, here remain a square plus ab plus b square over a plus b. You can divide the first numerator of a fraction to the second denominator fraction. For example, we can divide this numerator to with this numerator with that denominator, and also we can divide the first numerator to the second denominator. For example, we can divide it, then here remain both of them 1 over 1 multiplied by 1 over 1, then multiply 1 by 1 is 1, and 1 multiplied by 1, 1 divided by 1, here remain, the answer is 1. Okay, dear students, so I take another example. Until I prepare the board, you plus like. Okay guys, so I take another example. For example, we have x squared minus 9 over x squared minus 4x plus 3 multiplied by, for example, we have x squared minus x over x squared plus 3x. Here, first of all, we factorized every of numerator and denominator. For example, we have x squared minus 3 squared. Instead of 9, I write 3 squared. In the denominator, we should find two numbers to multiply, gave us 3, and we plus together or add together, gave us 4. 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 1 multiplied by 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. So it factorized into same sign, the sign take from the coefficient of x. Here is minus, and also we can take here minus. So we write one of them one bracket and the other is the second bracket. Here we can write x multiplied by, we bring out x from the numerator, remain x minus 1, and we bring out here x multiplied by x plus 3. Then we factorize the second x minus 3 multiplied by x plus 3 over x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3. Here we can cancel and remain x minus 1 over x plus 3. Then we can divide x minus 3 by x minus 3, 1, and x plus 3 divided by x plus 3, 1. Also x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. Remain 1. 1 by 1 is divide. 1 over 1, and the result is 1. So the answer of this question is 1. I take another example here. For example, we have x squared minus 25 over x squared minus 6x plus 5 multiplied by x cube minus x squared over x squared plus 5x. How we can multiply these two fractions? First of all, we should factorize every numerator and denominator. For example, we have here x squared minus 5 squared. Instead of 25, I write 5x squared. And also we factorize here. 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. 1 plus 5 is 6. Then it factorized to 2 bracket, and the bracket sign taken from the coefficient of x. There is minus or negative. We take both of the bracket negative. We write one of them to 1, the first bracket, and the second we write to the other brackets here 5. Then we write x, also we write here x. Multiply by, we bring out x squared from both term. Here remain x, and this second term remain 1, the coefficient just. Also bring out x, and the first term remain x, the second term remain 5. Then here we can factorize x minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5. Also here x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 5. Multiplied by x squared multiplied by x minus 1 over x plus x more x multiplied by x plus 5. Then here we can cancel some of them or divide x minus 5 divided by x minus 5, 1. X minus 1 divided by x minus 1 is 1 also. X squared divided by x, result remain x, and also x plus 5 divided by x plus 5 is 1. So the answer is x. Okay, dear guys, I think it's enough for multiplication. Now I want to explain the division of algebraic fraction. Okay, please watch the continuation of this video. Okay, dear students, now I take another example, and here is division of algebraic fraction. For example, I have x plus 2 over x minus 2 divided by x squared plus 2x over x. How we can divide? In this part also, first of all, you should factorize every numerator and denominator. For example, we have x plus 2 over x minus 2 divided by, we bring out x from both term. Here remain x plus 2 over x. Then we can divide x by x. Here remain 1. Now, how you should divide? You multiply this part multiplied by 1. We write in the numerator. For example, I write the continuation of this question to the opposite here. We multiply x plus 2 by 1, and we write here x plus 2 multiplied by 1, x plus 2. Then we multiply x minus 2 by x plus 2. X minus 2 plus multiplied by x plus 2. Then the answer is x plus 2. When we multiply this two part, the answer is x squared minus 4. I take another example. We have a squared minus b squared over a cube minus b cube multiplied by a squared plus ab over a cube plus a squared multiplied by b plus a b squared. Here we factorized the first fraction, the numerator here, a minus b multiplied by a plus b. Also here we can write a minus b multiplied by a square plus ab plus b square. It's a famous identity. You have already studied this one. Divide by, we bring out here remain a plus b, and also we bring out a from every three terms. Here remain a square plus here ab, and here plus b square. You should remember and never should forget that in division you can cancel every numerator by numerator and denominator by denominator. For example, we can divide x plus b divided by a plus b, or a square plus ab plus b square divided by a square plus ab plus b square. Also, we can divide the same fraction numerator with denominator. For example, a divided by a, and a plus minus b divided by a minus b. So the result of first fraction here remain 1 over 1, and also the second fraction remain 1 over 1. Then we multiply 1 by 1 in the numerator, and we divide this one. We multiply 1 multiplied by 1, 1 divided by 1 is 1. So the answer is 1. Okay, dear students, now I take another example. Please like until I prepare the board. Okay, dear students, sometimes maybe it's possible that one fraction is not possible to factorize. For example, we have x over x minus 2 divided by 2 over x plus 3. How we can divide? In this example, it's impossible to factorize or cancel or divide some part of the fraction. So here we directly multiply the first denominator with the second denominator, and right here we have x multiplied by x plus 3, and this first fraction denominator multiplied by second fraction numerator. We multiply these two part. 2 multiplied by x minus 2. Then we multiply x multiplied by x squared plus x multiplied by 3x over here 2 multiplied by x, 2x minus 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. So this is the answer of the example. And I take another example. For example, we have x squared minus 6x squared plus 5 over x squared minus 25 divided by, for example, we have x squared minus 6, or for example minus 4x plus 3 over, we have x squared minus, for example, 6x plus 5. First of all, we factorized every part of these fractions. The first and the second fraction we factorized. For example, we have here 1 multiplied by 5 is 5, 1 plus 5 is 6. So it factorized x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 5. Here we can say, or write x squared minus 5 squared, because 25 is equal to 5 squared divided by, here we have 1 multiplied by 3 is 3, 1 plus 3 is 4. It factorized to the 2 bracket with the sign is the same as coefficient of x. Here x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3. Also here we have 1 multiplied by 5, and also here 1 plus 5. 1 plus 5 is 6, 1 multiplied by 5 is 5. It is factorized into brackets. The sign is the same as the coefficient of x. Here we can write x plus 1 multiplied by x plus 5. Then here also it's possible to factorize to different bracket. Here we have x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 5 over, it's possible to factorize to different bracket. X minus 5 multiplied by x plus 5 divided by x minus 1 multiplied by x minus 3 over x plus 3 multiplied by x plus 5. Here we can divide some of them. For example, we can divide x minus 1 plus divided by x minus 1 is 1. And also here, okay, it's not the same bracket. Also, we can divide the denominator with the second denominator. For example, x minus plus 5 divided by x plus 5. Also here, x minus 1 divided by x minus 1. The other thing is impossible to divide, so we directly multiply 1 multiplied by x plus 1. X plus 1, 1 multiplied by x minus 3. The result is x minus 3. I take another example also. For example, we have x squared plus xy over x squared minus xy divided by x squared plus 2xy plus y squared over x squared minus y squared. Here also, first of all, we factorized everyone. For example, here we bring out x and remain x plus y. Here we bring out x, remain x minus y divided by, we take square root from this and we take from x square root from this. X squared became x and y squared became x. Then it divided to or convert to same bracket, x plus y multiplied by x plus y when we factorized. Also here we factorize x minus 1 y multiplied by x plus y. Now we can divide. For example, x cancelled by x, x plus y divided by x plus y, x minus y divided by x minus y, also x plus y divided by x plus y. Now the result is 1 by 1 is 1 and 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. So the result is 1. Okay, dear students, I think it's enough for division of algebraic fraction. And if you have any question, you can ask me in comment. And like my video also.